On today's show, we are going to make the most delicious turkey rolls. We roll them up in Pillsbury dough, and then we put them in the oven with gravy. It's going to be delicious. Stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. We are making turkey rolls, and it's exciting because Barb is here to cook with me. And we are using Pillsbury dough sheets. We are going to make gravy, and I'm going to attempt to use almond flour rather than white flour. We'll see how that works. And of course I have some beef broth and butter. So let's go ahead and turn the pan on, and we'll get Barb working on the butter. Take that from you when you're done. There you go. Okay, let's keep that in the middle with your wooden spoon, and that'll melt for you. I'll go ahead and get on with some other things. We have the dough to open up. Now that the butter is melted, we're going to do the flour. And we need 3 tablespoons of flour because it's almond flour. You can go ahead and stir that because you gotta get that all mixed in. Okay, we don't want it to be lumpy. So we're using a beef broth. Let's put in some more flour. The recipe I got was 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 cups of beef broth.
Do you like gravy? If you like gravy, give us a thumbs up.
Of course, always spray your baking dish. Here's our dough. I love this Pillsbury dough. This stuff is great. This right like that. Stretch it out just a little bit. And I'm going to make 4, so I'll just cut this in half. Then we take the turkey. Put your turkey on here. You roll like this. And if you want, if you're afraid it won't stay together, you get your nails. My hands are dirty. You want to hand me a nail? These are stainless steel nails. You can just put it through whatever you're cooking. You can especially put it in a potato, and it'll help to cook the potato more. So let's put some more of this meat in here, Barb. He's nice and big. I hear the fire engines coming. I didn't set off the smoke detector, Barb. And we don't have enough for them. What are we going to do? You know, when I was a firefighter, we used to eat a lot. We had big, huge meals. Everybody was big and burly. Seems like people are kind of into health these days. They eat more healthy and smaller amounts. Container. It sticks together pretty good, actually, but just in case. Okay, now if you want to give me a paper towel, I won't touch the door. Thank you. And let me have one of your wooden spoons. And I will try to do this left-handed so everybody can see on the camera. Supposed to separate a little bit, it looks like. I'll let it sit for a minute. Let's just separate. Okay, now we just have to throw that in the oven. Well, it is time to take the food out of the oven, and that's pretty much perfect timing. You can have that. We're done with that timer. We'll bring it out and check the temperature, but I expect it's going to be hot enough. Wow. Looks real good and it's real hot. I think we're going to let it cool before we pull it out. But this is what it looks like. So that's our show for the day. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. We'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.